Building a unique market identity using brand positioning. Brand positioning is more than just a marketing strategy, it's about shaping how consumers perceive your brand. A well-positioned brand stands out in a crowded market, resonates with the target audience, and creates lasting customer loyalty. Companies must strategically define their brand's identity, communicate its unique value, and reinforce this positioning through consistent messaging and experiences. Every successful brand has a clear position in the market. Think of Apple's positioning as an innovative, premium brand or Volvo's reputation for safety. A well-defined positioning strategy ensures consumers immediately associate a brand with specific qualities, setting it apart from competitors and shaping long-term brand equity. Effective brand positioning relies on these core elements. Knowing your audience helps tailor messaging, while competitive differentiation highlights why your brand is the best choice. A compelling brand promise builds trust, and a distinct personality makes your brand relatable. Consistency in branding, whether in advertisements, customer interactions, or packaging, reinforces a strong market identity. Brands position themselves in different ways to appeal to their audience. A value-based approach focuses on affordability, while quality-based positioning appeals to those seeking excellence. Innovation-driven brands differentiate through technology, whereas service-focused brands gain loyalty through customer care. Niche positioning allows brands to dominate a specific market segment by catering to unique needs and preferences. Developing an effective brand positioning strategy requires research, clarity, and consistency. Understanding consumer needs and competitor positioning helps brands craft a unique value proposition. A strong brand statement should be clear, concise, and memorable. The real challenge is ensuring that brand positioning is reflected in every customer interaction, marketing effort, and business decision. Companies must also stay agile, adapting their positioning to market shifts and consumer expectations. These brands have mastered positioning by aligning their messaging, products, and customer experiences with their brand identity. Nike isn't just about sportswear, it's about motivation and achievement. Coca-Cola creates emotional connections through its branding. Tesla stands out by blending innovation with sustainability. IKEA delivers affordability and style, while Airbnb has redefined travel by focusing on personalization and community. Positioning a brand effectively isn't always easy. Market saturation makes differentiation harder, and consumer preferences are constantly shifting. Brands must also maintain consistency. Conflicting messages can dilute their identity. Competitor strategies can create challenges, and repositioning efforts must be handled carefully to avoid alienating loyal customers. To summarize, brand positioning is the foundation of a brand's success. When executed correctly, it creates a powerful emotional and psychological connection with consumers. The most successful brands are those that define their identity clearly, communicate their value effectively, and maintain consistency across all platforms. In a crowded marketplace, strategic positioning ensures a brand remains relevant, competitive, and desirable.